Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with another video about a program that I've been with now for over a year, and it's allowed me to earn a full-time income from home. And I want to share this information with you because there's so many people that are online that are struggling to earn a full-time income, and I'm looking to help as many families as possible free themselves from their 9-to-5 job. Okay, I'm looking to teach people how to use traffic, how to run traffic, paid and free methods, how to use a system that's duplicatable. And of course, I want to show you guys some results that I've had using this system. Not only that, I want to tell you why I think that this is the best system out there and why I used it. So I'm going to give you some facts about the program and just teach you a little bit, educate you on what it is that I actually do from home, part-time, earning a full-time income, okay? And I want to just inspire people because if I can do this, anyone can do this, okay? So my name is Amanda. This is my profile. If you want to connect with me, you can. I am a real person. My contact information is also in the description below. I started my online journey back in 2015, and after struggling for over a year, I tapped into what needed to happen in order to build a full-time income from home, and I'm now teaching others how to do the same. What I realized is that when I was getting in a lot of programs, I really didn't know what to do or how to do things because I didn't have the right sponsor or mentorship that really showed me exactly what I needed to do on a consistent basis, giving me a blueprint of what to do in order to earn a full-time income. I'm now creating that for myself and learning from a lot of marketing gurus what I can do to earn a full-time income. I'm now able to give people that blueprint and help them along the way so that they can start seeing results as soon as possible. So the company that I've been with, it's called the Power Lead System. And I'm going to give you some background and history about the Power Lead system, okay? They've been around for over 10 years, okay, which is really good. Any program that's been around paying out weekly or daily for over 5 years is a really a good thing. That's a good thing, okay? What I love is that you have a residual portion with this Power Lead system, so you're able to earn a residual commission, which means for every person that comes into the Power Lead system and pays their monthly fee, you earn $20 per month from that person. So I love that as well with this program. Not only that, I love the fact that you get paid weekly. Every single Wednesday we get paid. You can get paid direct deposit, or you can get paid you through a debit card. Okay, so that's another great thing. Another thing I love is that the funnel that I'm using, anybody on my team can duplicate it. So everything, when we have high converting funnels or funnels that are bringing in a lot of opt-ins and sales, we are able to give that information to our team where they can go ahead and duplicate the system. So I love that too about the Power Lead system. People that have no experience or don't know much about funnels can literally take our share code, which is numbers and letters combined, use that and create their own funnel, okay? Another thing is we have a ton of traffic generation strategies in our back office here in the training section where you can learn different ways to master traffic and do it on a budget if you don't have a lot of money to spend on traffic. Okay, here the roadmap to riches gives you a really good idea of how much you can make, how long it's going to take to make the money, and what you can expect in the next 6 to 12 months using this system. Okay, another thing that I love about the program is that you can make up to like $1,500 or more if someone comes all in. So just from one sale, okay, one sale, you can earn $1,500 in commissions from that one sale, which is extremely powerful, okay? They have now added the $1,000 level where you can get unlimited $1,000 commissions, and these are all one-time payouts. So the diamond level, the platinum level, and the MTI level are all one-time payments. that allows you to pay one time and get unlimited commissions at those levels, okay? The other thing I love about this system is that you can connect any business, online business opportunity to this. If you have a link for another business opportunity, you can connect it to the Power Lead system and promote your business along with the Power Lead system, or you could just promote your business, or you can just promote the Power Lead system. So that in a nutshell says a lot about the Power Lead system. They're allowing you to put your business either on the front end or the back end of this business and be able to promote your opportunity using their system, okay? And that's really good. They have an autoresponder that's connected to the Power Lead system. You have unlimited, a ton of capture pages and also sales pages that we use with the Power Lead system to market the opportunity, okay? And, you know, these are just some of the things that I love the most about the program. So this is really like everything done for you in a box, and it will allow you to start generating commissions like real quickly, start getting leads and opt-ins really fast. I started earning um, within my first 2 weeks of being in the program, and I started generating thousands within my first 3 months of being in this program. So these are just some of the pros about this program, and some of the reasons why I really love the Power Lead system, and I think that it can help people, especially if you're a newbie and you're just getting started or you're struggling with earning consistently online. So if you want more information about this program, or you're ready to get started, or you want to reach out to me, my information will be in the description below, and I'm here to answer any questions you may have, and you can connect with me on Facebook, okay? So thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I'll be back with you again tomorrow. Have a great night.